Welcome to the second session of Dealsflow Self-Learning series. The topic of the session is Business Plan. The session will help you understand and appreciate various aspects of a business plan. We will start this session with a discussion on few basic concepts that make essential ingredient of a good business plan. Once done, we will start discussing various sections of a business plan and what should go into them and why. Let's move this discussion on the basic concepts. Why do we need to develop a business plan? A business plan should be developed to give investors and partners all the important information for them to take informed decision about their association and investment in your business. But more importantly, it shows a complete picture of business idea to yourself and your management team with all the opportunities and challenges, strengths and weaknesses, gaps, and the related hidden cost. So what should a good business plan include? Well, it should include everything that a business will come across during its lifetime. Before we start developing a business plan, do we have a clarity about what do you want to sell, or what do you want to manufacture, or what do you want to produce? It can either be a product, or a service, or a set of product, or a set of services, or a mix of both to provide end-to-end solution. Once you are clear about what business, you should ask yourself, what do you think anyone will want it? Or what do you think your business idea will sell or work? Does it solve any problem for anyone? If it does, then how many people may need this solution? Or more importantly, how many people will you reach out to sell your offering to solve their problems? Answer to this question will give us the market that we are targeting. It should be documented in terms of a potential customer base size. Next thing you should ask yourself is, why will they buy it from you? So we know who can be interested in the offering, but why? Just because you are able to solve one or more of their problems? But why your company or your offering? Are you the only one solving that problem? Do they have options to go somewhere else? Do we know how many such options are available to them? And why do you think they will pick you as their vendor or service provider over others? What reasons are you giving them to make that decision? If those reasons are unique, then how fast competition with required resources can catch up and disturb your business plan? Answer to all above will give you industry scenario, competition, competitive advantage, and entry barrier. Let's talk about them in greater detail. Market. It is a group of consumers who are interested in the offering, have requirement of the same with sufficient resources to purchase it. To help you think about the same, we can take example of a company trying to sell tractors as a product in India. If we need to look at the market for them, it can be overall India, which is almost 1.2 billion population. Considering almost 10% of the population is engaged in farming, we have potential customer base of around 12 crore. Going down further, if we think that only 1% of this 12 crore population engaged in farming is the farm owners, then we have around 12 lakh farmers as our available market. Out of these 12 lakh farm owners, we have around 50% small scale owners who cannot afford tractors and still rely on cattle to do the job or do it manually. This gives us around 6 lakh farmer as our focus market size. Finally, if we consider that 50% of the 6 lakhs already have tractors with no future plans to expand the existing fleet, then we are left with 3 lakh as our target customers. So finally our market size is about 3 lakh with competition's eye on the same.